Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. The category is email writing skills, video number 4. Basically we'll talk about the compliances which is required to operate the buildings. The name of building DLF Center. Building manager is Sanjay Gupta. Okay, basically this sheet is prepared by him and DLF representative, so you can trust on these reports blindly. Even you can say just little bit upgradation is required as per your locality. That means either you are in Delhi, Gurgaon or Noida. Just go through it once. So every building there it must be a lift. So lift operations approval is required on the yearly basis. Now I think it's is extended for the 3 years as per my understandings. So but here is frequency is yearly. After that, DG operation approval, just like a lift operation approval, you need a DG operation approvals which is valid for 5 years. Approval for operation of building from fire fighting point of view, you can say the fire NOC which is valid for 3 years. Declarations of owner or occupier to fire department, you can say it's is occupant certificate that is approved by fire department. Fire drill with intimations to fire department, you have to conduct on site on half yearly basis. You must have to inform the fire team, safety team prior to the fire mock drill. You need training. You have to identify every building have the safe assembly area. You have to keep some samples in the safe assembly area and you have to demonstrate in case of fire how can you handle and how can you the manage societies. Third party liability insurance, glass and alka bond sheet inspections which is monthly, drinking and domestic waters which is half yearly, DG emissions monitoring which is half yearly, DG room noise level monitoring which is half yearly, raw treated sewage monitoring, raw and treated water sewage monitoring which is half yearly, ambient air quality monitoring which is half yearly, ambient noise monitoring which is half yearly, test for Legionella bacteria with water bodies and the cooling towers half yearly, lux level monitoring half yearly, consent to operate 5 yearly, environmental statement submissions form 5 yearly, half yearly return form 8 for used battery, annual return for form 4 hazardous waste disposal form 10 used for violent battery, hazardous waste disposal form is used on a quarterly basis, calibrations of equipments, ultrasonic test of host and pressure vessels, sprinkler and hydrant, hydraulic test, host pressure vessel, sprinkler and hydrant, dye penetrations test of building joint of pressure vessels or sprinkler and hydrant air vessels on yearly basis, ARB and PRB test of the safety relief valves on the sprinkler and hydrant air vessels, calibrations of pressure switch, calibration of pressure gauge, pull out examinations of cartridge brackets, medical check of DG operator and pantry staff, earth value test safety test of automatic rescue device ARD 6 monthly basis, payment of property tax to the local municipal corporations yearly basis, license of operating walkie-talkie set in building for yearly basis, e-waste annual return form 3, maintenance of hazardous waste record form 3, maintain the e-waste record of form 2 monthly basis, hazardous waste, e-waste. These are the things which should be meant. These are the compliance for the building you must have to follow at any cost, otherwise you will get penalty, or your building operation certificate consent of operations will be cancelled by government. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Go through once before the interview so that you can be trouble free from the compliance part. Thank you so much. Building compliance checklist. Building compliance checklist. Building compliance checklist.